Are you preparing for your JAMB UTME in 2026? And if you are desire to smash this exam in just one sitting, then this channel is for you. My name is Basi Ejoba. I'm a medical student at the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science. And in my channel, I have students level up the academic game. I also share food tips on the channel, focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that I can continue getting videos like this and so that you can help me grow. And in this channel, if you're preparing for your JAMB UTME, if you're also preparing for your WAEC or any external examination, we got you covered. We have been doing this, although we have been doing it offline for some years now, and we took it online in 2025, and just by hosting some of our sessions online, we have gotten a lot of testimonials from students from attending my classes online. Have been able to score up to 316. Some of them have been able to get up to 290 something. Some of them have also been able to get up to 250, 300, and smashing even above their limit. We have been doing this, and I so believe that if you follow up what we'll be doing on this channel, following up our lecture series, I believe you also can score up to 300 plus. And like you can see on the board, we say 300 plus is very, very possible. And in the course of our lecture series, we'll be focusing on essential science subjects which are necessary for those of you who are science students applying for any medical related courses, that is medical or allied related courses. For those of you also in the engineering, that is science in particular, we'll be covering chemistry. Also be covering topics in biology. We will also be covering topics in physics, and we will also cover topics which are very, very essential in use of English. That is a use of English language. And not just that, we'll be giving you a concise summary of the Lekki headmaster. So this is our use of English. So we'll be focusing on these major subjects: your chemistry, your biology, your physics, and your use of English. We'll be teaching all the topics here step by step, starting from the basics, building up. Like from the chemistry, we'll start from the basics, introducing you to what concept of chemistry is all about. From there, we are going to move on to the atoms. From there, we are also going to talk about the chemical reactions, the bonding, the periodic table, the organic aspects of chemistry, and we're also going to be talking about the inorganic aspect, which is the air, the hydrogen, and the rest. All right. So also for the biology, we are going to also introduce you to the concept of biology. We are also going to talk about evolution, genetics, heredity. Physics also, we are also going to introduce you to the basic concept of physics, which is all about applications and problem solving. Also talking about waves, and also the use of English, the synonyms, the antonyms, and what is really required for you to be able to smash your JAMB UTME in just one sitting. And now, not just talking about this, we are going to follow directly from the recommended JAMB syllabus. So every topic we'll be handling in this lecture series or in this JAMB UTME 2026 series will all be coined from the recommended JAMB syllabus. So if you need this JAMB syllabus, request for it in the comment section. I will drop my number, chat me up on WhatsApp, and I will send to you the recommended JAMB syllabus for 2026. So each of these topics, at the end of these topics, in each of these subjects, we'll be solving past questions on them, and we'll be solving past questions from 2015 to 2025. We are going to be solving past questions from 2015 to 2025, and not just ending there. We are also going to extend it that at the end of the topics in each of these subjects, let's assume we are done with periodic table in chemistry. At the end of the topic, we are also going to solve JAMB questions coined out from this topic. Right, so we are going to take our time and see how we are going to check out the JAMB past questions from 1978 to 2025, where we are going to remove out questions that are coming out from each of these topics. And I tell you, it is going to be really helpful and beneficial. This is not a lecture series, or this is not an ordinary lecture series where you think you can miss, right? This is something that you will continue loving and loving and loving, and not just ending there. You will also want to share it to your friends, you also want to share it to your loved ones, and you will also love to share it to your classmates. Like I said, my name is Basi Ejogba, and this YouTube channel is a solution center where we are going to make sure you make yourself proud, where we are going to make sure you make your parents proud, and we are also going to make sure you make your community proud. Stay tuned as we continue, or as we commence our lecture series. I really love you. Thank you.